Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It has now been over 1,000 miles since we checked in on my brother's 2011 Nissan Sentra. A little bit of context on that vehicle: back in November of 2024, we started getting the P0011 timing to advance code. As a Hail Mary attempt to fix it before spending the big bucks on a completely new timing set, we started running the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30. And surely enough, after a couple thousand miles, the timing chain code went away. The one thing that hasn't gone away is the oil consumption. We've been burning a quart of oil for every 500 miles traveled. Now, there's been a lot of different things that I've tried in order to address it, including replacing the PCV valve, the PCV hose, the valve cover gasket. I've also used a number of different oil additives, including AT205, engine restore, a lot of stuff. The vehicle has 203,000 miles on it, so if that's what's happening for the age of the vehicle, and you know, we need to add a quart of oil for every 500 miles traveled, then so be it. But in addition to dealing with this oil consumption issue and solving the timing chain code, we've been tracking the cleanliness of the engine. So throughout the last couple of check-ins that I've done on the Sentra, I've taken a picture of the inside of the engine through the oil fill port. So in this video, we're going to check on the level of the oil, and then I'm going to send my bore scope inside the oil fill port so we can see what that looks like today versus the last time we checked about 1,000 miles ago. All right, with that being covered, we'll go ahead and jump to the Sentra. Here we go. Okay, we're doing this outside today because the weather is so beautiful. Before we get started, I want to take a second to acknowledge and appreciate our members of the channel, including Will Hutton, 1516, Nunez Racing 12, Bart, Becca K4H, Lopez Jesse 006, Mr. Three Phase 228, Tony Seed, Lucan F150, Cesar, Tylo, Mango Enjoyer, Sobla, and Jace Hopper. Special recognition to Cars Are Friends, our prime oil change sponsor. Thank you, Cars Are Friends. Make sure to check out his YouTube channel if you haven't already. All right, let's go ahead and check the oil level. Clean this guy up. Okay, we're definitely under the low point there, so to the right hand side of the letter L there. So we're gonna have to add, let's try putting a quart of oil in first and then see where that takes us. All right, we got our lovely bottle of Valvoline Restore and Protect, and then we're gonna use a fancy funnel. You can find this on Amazon for, I don't know, there's a sale right now, it's like 30 bucks. Typically it goes for something like, I don't know, 50 bucks. But yeah, it's called SEDY oil funnel. So before I go ahead and do that, close the valve there. And then I'm gonna shake the bottle up just a little bit. All right, and then open the valve. All right, while we wait for the oil to settle in the Sentra, I picked up some Valvoline trading cards. Got them on eBay for a couple bucks, and I don't know if you guys have been following my channel. I've been picking up a new hobby, one-piece trading card games, and I promise I won't get that mixed in with the car maintenance topic. But hey, this is Valvoline cards, okay? It's definitely oil related. So we're gonna unbox or rip this up and see what we get. It's Mark Martin. God, I can't believe I'm doing this, but Mark Martin collectible trading cards. The back says Valvoline trademarks Roush Racing and Mark Martin's name and or likeness used by authority of Roush Racing, Livonia, Michigan. All right, let's see what we get. God, it must have been a while since they've made this. Okay. Okay, number one, we got a coupon. Oh, well, let's go this way. Okay, we got a Confidence in Motion. Looks like we have an autograph there. In his 11th year with Roush Racing, Mark Martin has undeniably been one of the most consistent and confident competitors on the Winston Cup circuit. Through 1997, he has earned 22 victories, 35 poles, and winnings of more than $14 million. He has finished in the top 6 in the point standings every year since 1989, including a strong third place finish in his number 6 Valvoline Cummins Ford in 1997. And then here's a, card's a little sticky. Ooh. Fluid teamwork. Valvoline team is a tough competitor at the pit road each week on the Winston Cup circuit. The crew provides 4 new tires, 22 gallons of fuel, a clean windshield, and a cool drink for driver Mark Martin in 19 seconds or less. Teamwork is essential for great performance, and there are no exceptions for the number 6 Valvoline team. Ooh, sticky. A well-oiled machine. The number 6 Valvoline Ford has a new paint scheme debuting on the new Taurus for the 1998 Winston Cup season, but don't expect any changes from veteran driver Mark Martin. Martin is one of the most consistent and competitive drivers on the circuit. He's more determined than ever to put the number 6 Valvoline Ford in victory lane and capture his first Winston Cup championship. These are kind of cool. All right, and then we got a coupon. Save $3 when you purchase 1 case, 6 quarts of Valvoline Sin Power motor oil at any Walmart location. Coupon expires December 31st, 1998. Okay, check that out. It's also sticky. Oh, it looks like it's the same cards. Is it just going to be the same cards? Same cards. Well, there we go. Trading cards. If you're into One Piece, hit me up. All right, back to the Sentra. All right, it's now been a couple moments since we filled the oil, so let's go ahead and check the level. It's at the halfway point, so we're gonna have to a little bit higher than the halfway point, so I think we gotta put in 0.4 quarts of oil in order to get it to the top. Open the valve. All right, while we wait for the oil to settle, I do want to take a second to give folks an update on the F-150. Everything has been running pretty well so far. The last time we had it at the dealership was in December, January timeframe, and now that it's the end of May, things are still running really smooth. I'm about 2,000 miles in the current round of Valvoline Restore Protect on the F-150, and given that motor oil has been a little bit hard to come by, particularly the Valvoline Restore Protect in my local stores, I'm gonna wait until 3,000 miles. But yeah, it's been working well. This is the first summer that I've had my sound deadening material inside the truck, and gosh, it's so nice. It's really quiet inside the cab, especially on the windy days. There's just so much wind that hits the truck, and that sound deadening material has made it like nearly silent in there. All right, we'll go ahead and check on the Sentra. Okay, it's right at the upper hole. So we're gonna call that good. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our bore scope and then put it inside the oil fill port to access our reference point so we can see what it looks like today versus the last time we checked about 1,000 miles ago. Alrighty folks, I'm sorry about the footage. Something's wrong with my bore scope. There's this glare that I can't get out of the footage, regardless of how much I tried cleaning the lens. From an oil consumption standpoint, we went about 1,000 miles and burnt 1.4 quarts of oil. It looks like oil consumption went down by about 0.6 quarts through the course of 1,000 miles. But I wonder if, and this car just blows my mind a little bit, because I do wonder if as the oil is getting low inside the engine, it's burning less. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.